Hello and welcome to the first of 13 projects in part 2 of the excellent PLC projects for engineering students. This project, How to Reverse a Three-Phase Motor, is part of a series originally filmed using Siemens S7300 PLC and Semantic Manager software. The video showcases how the PLC control programs function. For this section, I have provided pre-written programs converted for TIA Portal PLC Sim along with virtual HMI simulations using WinCC Flexible. Let's explore and see the pre-written PLC program in action. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. Project number 1. Controlling a three-phase motor to run clockwise and counterclockwise. Welcome everyone. Today we are examining a fascinating way of controlling three-phase motors. We will examine an electrical systems control panel equipped with 3 essential push buttons, allowing us to seamlessly dictate both clockwise and counterclockwise motion. In this video, we examine the operation of an electrical machinery systems control panel featuring 3 push buttons. Depressing PB1 initiates clockwise motion, while PB2 triggers counterclockwise motion. Pressing PB3 stops both outputs. Safety remarks. Ensuring that both outputs, CW or CCW, cannot be activated simultaneously. Implementing a safety delay. If the motor is running and the start push button for the opposite direction is pressed, the motor stops. After a 10-second delay, it restarts automatically in the new direction. Let's go ahead and run the program. I depress PB1, CW contactor turns on, its color goes from green to yellow. I depress PB3 to stop motor. I press PB2 to turn on counterclockwise contactor. I press PB3 to turn it off. Now, I press PB1 to turn it on in clockwise direction and then depress PB2 to change the direction. In this case, PLC press stops the motor, and after a 10-second delay, the motor restarts in counterclockwise direction. While the motor is on in counterclockwise direction, I depress PB1, then counterclockwise contactor turns off, and after a 10-second delay, the motor restarts in clockwise direction. Depressing PB3 stops the motor again. The project is successfully tested on a Siemens Semantic S7300 PLC using Semantic Manager software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.